What I'm going to show you now is called an algebraic proof. Now, if you have spent time in geometry with me, that means that you've seen this once before. But what it is we're going to go through our algebra problem step by step, and I'm going to defend why I do each step that I do. So when I look at this equation, the very first thing that I identify is that I have a pair of like terms, 1.2 and minus 7.2 x. When I combine those together, I get negative 6x left over. Now over on this side, I'm just going to name what I did in order to get from my top row to the bottom row, which on this one is combine like terms. That's how I got from the first line to the second. I'm just defending what I'm doing. Now I look to see, how do I get my x on its own? I'm going to start by moving my 5 over. Since it's a positive 5, I'm going to subtract from both sides. When I do that, I get that negative 12 equals negative 6x. Because I subtracted on both sides, that's the subtraction property of equality. Finally, I'm going to divide on both sides. We end up getting that x is equal to 2. When I divide it on both sides, I use the division property of equality. You're not going to have to do any algebraic proofs, but this is just an example of showing you step by step what you're able to do and why you're able to do those things.